Today is the first video of a brand new video series on how to create a useful website. A website that you can use and manage for your business and grow as well. The first step in getting a website, well, before we start building a website, we need a domain name, and we are going to buy a domain name today. Now, my recommendation to you is get your name. Get your first name and last name, especially if you are an entrepreneur, you're operating under your name. In my case, it's angelanderson.com. If your first and last name is not available, get a combination, Mr. D, but avoid dashes and very long names. Now, a key test that you can do to know if your domain name is good and actually that people can remember your domain name, your website, is to tell somebody while you're leaving the conversation, while you're exiting a room. If I walk out of the room, they know my name is Angel Anderson and I leave and, hey Angel, what is your website? I said angelanderson.com. They are going to remember. I've tested this many times. But if you pick a different name or your name is hard to pronounce, maybe your nickname, maybe a combination of that, something that people can remember easily, it will be a great start. If you don't want to use your own name and it's a business name, just get it. The whole thing about these short videos and exercises is that you do one task every day. So today we're going to get the domain name. We're going to jump into the computer and I have GoDaddy. You can get your name through GoDaddy. Let's say that your name is just Barber. You're going to type Barber in the search feature. And if it's not available, it's going to tell you, sorry, barber.com is not available. And then you scroll down and you start looking for an alternative. You can choose to pay and buy the more expensive one, meaning somebody might be selling that specific domain name, or it's a premium extension. And you can play around with that, but don't spend more than 10 minutes searching around. Domain names are so inexpensive today that they're about $14.99 on average. You can choose to buy a second one later on, replace it, add a second, a third one. They're inexpensive. Just get in the habit of taking one action every day that will move your business forward. And today is going to be the domain name. Now, if you decide to support myself, I do own a company that we mainly provide hosting and design services. However, we do offer some domain name services as well. Now, what I can do for you is, if you decide to support me and you get the web hosting account, which you're gonna have to get with, doesn't matter if it's with me or with any other company, you have to have hosting, but that's tomorrow's video and I'm gonna show you about it. If you decide to support me and get your hosting account through Data Viking, which is my own company, I will give you the domain name for free. So you start saving that way. And again, you have to get a hosting account no matter what, if it's through company A or with my company, Data Viking. So let's say here we are in Data Viking and the links are down in the description below. Barber. Click continue, start searching. And while it finishes searching, it's just the same steps. It's going to give you a list of names available. And let's say you want barbers.tw. You click continue, and in the next window you're gonna see the web hosting option. In this case, if you can pay per month or for a year. If you decide to pay for a year, that's where you get the free domain option. You're gonna be presented with other options which you can skip. You can click continue. In this case, you don't need any other options. Pre-fill your information, your payment information, and click checkout, and that's it. You will get an email confirmation either with GoDaddy or with Data Viking that your domain has been purchased. And in the next video, I am going to show you how to set up your hosting account. Then we're going to talk about email accounts. We're going to talk about creating your website, your blog, contact page, about page, one task at a time, one step at a time. With that said, my friends, let's create, manage, and grow the life that we want to live and not the life that is handed to us. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.